Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about my EXA Telecom S30. So this is open ear conduction true wireless headset. So here's the box that it comes in, right over here. So this is sold on Best Buy's website. I'll show you the link right over here. So here's Best Buy, and you can see it's the S30 AI powered. Here's all the specs. So it's got noise cancellation and it's open ear. So let me show you what that means. So when it's open ear, so this is the case it comes in, and this is the charging cradle, and here's the charging cable. So this could come right out of this case, and then you can keep it on your desk. Over here is the Type-C charger. So right here is the power button. You can use this to control it, or you can use the buttons on the individual headsets. So the advantage of this open ear design is you can see over here, it kind of just sits on your ear, and that makes it that it doesn't hurt your ear over time. So I use my Pixel Buds for listening to music a lot of times, but over time it really starts hurting my ear. So over here it just kind of sits on the outside. It's got that bone conduction, and this way it doesn't hurt your ears because it's not sitting inside the eardrum. So it's very comfortable to wear for hours on end. The microphone is over here. It can swivel out of the way, so you can swivel it back into here, or you can swivel back out here when you want to talk. You can use one at a time, or you can use them both. Here's the other side, the right side. So this part does not have that microphone, so you only have the microphone on one side. But if you want, you could just use the left part if you don't want to have two on you, or if you want stereo sound, you can use both. Over here, it comes inside this package is the user manual. So this comes in the box. It's got multiple languages for the user manual, but the one I care about is the English one, and it shows you how to unpack it, and then it goes through the settings for how to power on and off, how to set up the Bluetooth pairing, how to use the different controls to answer, hang up, cancel calls, reject calls, activate voice assistant. If you want to use Google Assistant or Alexa or something else, you can use that double click to get into that. Then over here is showing you the background mode, so when you want to just have it sit in the cradle ready to get calls. And here's the charging guide. Then it switches to Chinese, I believe. Yep. The one other thing that is very important is the multi-point linking. So this is how you connect it to two devices. So right now I have it connected to my computer, to my work laptop, and also to my cell phone. So I could get personal calls and work calls or team meetings or Zoom meetings, etc. I could get them while I am at work, and I don't have to switch between two different devices. The nice thing is the built-in battery lasts about 70 hours. So yeah, I don't need to charge it every day. Just every couple of days, I could just charge it up and use it. And it's great for wearing it all day. The active environmental noise cancellation is helpful to help mute out background noises. But the open ear design allows me to still hear things. So if my baby is crying in the other room, I could hear that, but it will help muffle it so other people don't hear it when I'm talking. So that's basically all you have to know about the Telecom S30. I've been using it for a couple months already, and everyone tells me they could hear me clearly. I'm loud enough, I'm clear enough. And it's really made a big difference in my work calls and my personal life, because I'm able to listen to music while at work, so I can have some background music and stuff like that without having to switch between my earbuds and my work call. So thanks for watching my video on the Telecom S30 open ear headphones. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below on my video, and I'll try to answer your questions. I've only used it a couple months, but hopefully I'll be able to answer your questions. Thank you, and have an awesome day.